This demonstration, we're going to have a look at how we operate a virtual machine in VMM. So what I've done here is I've just come into my virtual machine manager, I've gone to my VM and services, I've gone to all hosts group, gone to local group, and I can now see all of the virtual machines currently sitting in my virtualization infrastructure. So if we just scroll this up a little bit. So just on LonServe 1 here, what I want to do is I want to power on LonServe 1. So at the top here I've got my power on button. We can see a lot of things are grayed out. Reason why a lot of these things are grayed out is the virtual machine is actually powered off. So what we'll do at this point here is we'll now power on this virtual machine by clicking my power on button. We can see the virtual machine starting up. We can see little jobs completed here, which is starting the virtual machine. If I click on this, I could get some additional information, see which network the virtual machine is connected to, any related objects, and performance counters as well. Once the virtual machine's up and running, we can see that a lot of these options are now ungrayed out. So we can see all of this here. So what we'll do here is we'll just come along here. So under the create option, I've got the ability to create a clone of the virtual machine. I can shut down the virtual machine. Power it on is grayed out because it's already powered on. Got power off, so that's equivalent to pulling out the power cable out the back, I suppose. We've got pause, we've got resume, we've got reset. So these two here we can pause or just take the processing offline, and we can reset the virtual machine, save any data off, discard any saved data. We can migrate the storage, migrate the virtual machine between Hyper-V hosts, store the virtual machine in the library. The reason why we want to store it in the library is we're temporarily taken offline perhaps. We can create checkpoints, we can manage our checkpoints. We have the ability to just refresh the display here. What we've also got here as well is we could repair the virtual machine. We've got the ability to install the virtual guest services. We can connect or view. So we can connect via console, we could potentially connect via RDP, and we can also view the networking config as well. So let's just click on this one just to show you what happens. So what we can see here is we can see that the VM network's here, external network, the virtual machine is connected to the external network. If we have a look at the host networks, gives us some information about the host networks currently configured. A nice little button that shows us the network topology, shows how everything's configured as well. So let's just close that one down. Then what we've got is we can delete the virtual machine if it was powered off, and we also can have a look at the properties of the virtual machine as well. So let's just connect or view. We'll connect via the console. Now we've connected, let's just send the Control-Alt-Delete, and all we'll do here is log into our virtual machine. And as you can see, we're now logging in, we've got the console up and running, and that's the end of this demonstration of managing a virtual machine or operating a virtual machine through the virtual machine manager. Thank you.